Mic check! Yeah. That's how we gonna do this. This is Baltimore County town halls. I've been to all your town halls. I was part of your program when y'all was doing the elections. Alright? This is your town hall. I got one pending post. This shows you how you filter your posts, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go to this post.
I'm not. I said no.
Alright. Talk about the corruption that's going on in your office. Don't try to play me. Don't try to play me.
I'm not. I said no.
Alright. Mr. Japheth.
Alright, that's Scott Shellenberger, and that's when I pulled his card. This is the Baltimore Sun. And I'm showing you how the Baltimore Sun.
I'm not gonna shake the hand with the man that tried to send me to jail for 20 years while he lied to the public, while he lied to the grand jury. The racism that exists in his office.
Alright, now this video was like 30 seconds. It was about Scott Shellenberger. I confronted him at the Baltimore Sun with him and Ben Jealous. I confronted Ben Jealous and I asked him about the racism in the courts. I asked him about racism and the corruption in his courts. I was making a documentary about him. That tour that I left in Towson was about Shellenberger. Shellenberger kidnapped me. Shellenberger kidnapped me. And you permitted it. You permitted the kidnapping. You permitted the corruption. You permitted all of this. I came to your office, your council, because you are my council representative. I lived at 7904 Jody Knoll Road. I'm homeless because of your because of your representing of our community. You know what I'm saying? It's the demonization of black people in Baltimore County. And that shit gonna change. These are the petitioners of Shorties. And they asked y'all to get involved in my situation. And this was the situation right here where I show you where you do what you do. You took a truck from me. You charged me with taxes for I don't know how long, for years. You took money from me and then you penalized me. We talking about Scott Shellenberger. September 2008, federal and state violations. That's right. I asked for an audit. And I put all of y'all on the board. This Johnny Olszewski sign. So I broke all this down for Johnny Olszewski when he see me next week. Because I'm bringing the sign with me. I'm homeless because of Scott Shellenberger. And I'm going to expose Scott Shellenberger for who and what he is. Frank Conway destroyed evidence. That's the criminal case against Scott Shellenberger. That's a criminal case. And you denying me access to the courts. And I'm exposing your courts. Judge Janae fixed the case for me. All right. Judge Papaya denied me a jury trial. You feel me? Judge Souter denied me evidence to be at Judge Souter denied evidence in my trial. Judge Souter permitted perjury and false evidence to be submitted against me. Judge Souter permitted evidence to be stolen from the Baltimore City Police, from the Baltimore County Police Department evidence locker. Y'all permitted all these wrongs against me to say that I was a terrorist. And all I did is terrorize you with the truth. We're talking about racism in your courts and racism in your politics. And I called you out. Now, Johnny Olszewski, you was I guess you would call you was called to the State of the Union. You was Senator Cardin's guest. Well, y'all talked about mass incarceration with Kim Kardashian. Well, this has been in effect long before Kardashian came on stage. This has been on stage for the last 13 years. And it shows who knew what. You feel me? And you go directly to Al Redmer. He got my insurance claim. You feel me? And this is the Baltimore County when y'all received this in 2018. Kamenetz had this. So you can't shield the corruption that's going on in Baltimore County. You can't shield the racism that's going on in Baltimore County. You have to deal with this. You feel me? You got to deal with this. This is racism in your judicial system. This is about being black. This is Blackuary 365. And Brian Force got to deal with it too. Do black people have rights in which white America respects? Well, we're going to find out because, like I said, I got all my ducks lined up. This is about the 2019 session. And we're going to talk about who was selling out Black Baltimore and Black Baltimore City. We're going to talk about accessing the grand jury like you promised us. And we're going to ask you what direction you leading us in. This is from 2008. All right? That's from 2008. That's Michael Steele's friend. Remember when I had Michael Steele in Annapolis last week? You reading this? Red hot shot. Shorty, you need a civil rights lawyer. I would suggest a couple of things. Contacting Billy Murphy, the white pellet. You feel me? Send your DVD to C4 WBAL. Contact the Justice Project in D.C. Contact Senator James Meeks. You feel me? That's who sent this to me. And that's Mr. Steele. I did a party for Michael Steele. Kendall Ehrlich was there. It was a Halloween party. This was in